What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Eric here. Today we're getting back on the Mazda RX8. I've done a couple things off camera. I went ahead and finished pulling out the wiring harness that was in the engine bay. I'll put the car on jacks because today we're going to be looking to pull this motor and transmission out of the car. And since it's getting late on me, let's hurry up and get to work. Let's get this motor out of the car. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so quick update. Went ahead, we pulled the intake off. We got the air pump out of here. Instead of pulling the condenser out, the AC condenser, I went ahead and pulled the lines that were connected to it. It's pretty corroded on there at the moment. So the next thing we got to do is, I think we're going to go ahead and get underneath the car. Start disconnecting all the transmission, everything under there. Also, went ahead and drained the oil out of the car as well. And then I need to disconnect the oil cooler lines, drop the transmission. Well, I take it back. We're going to leave transmission on the car, try to pull it all at once. So I think I got everything disconnected here on the top. So it's all about the bottom at the moment. So let's get back to it. check it out, you guys. I finally got the engine out of this RX8. I think I made it a little hard on myself, but that's alright. Part of the learning game, right? So there she is. She's finally out of the car. Here is rust galore. That's alright. This engine mounts for being a pain in my butt. In retrospect, I probably should have just taken this transmission off, pull the motor by itself. That's okay. I got a nice trail of coolant. So that's it for tonight. This engine is filled with corrosion. I can only imagine what the inside of this thing looks like. But it's alright. We'll pull this air compressor off, except one bolt broke, and then the other bolt, the head broke off of it. So it stayed on there while I pulled the motor out. One more thing to clean up and fix. I think the next thing we're going to do, strip that transmission off, make this into a short block, send the engine off, get it rebuilt. And while that's getting rebuilt, we'll be working on getting the engine bay all cleaned up, repainted. We need to spray the underside of the car as well. But this garage is a mess. I need to take a day, clean this garage up. I'm just happy to get the motor out. Alright guys, that's it for today. We got the RX8 engine out. So the next thing we got to do to this thing, we need to strip this down to short block, pull the transmission off, get the motor sent off. Probably going to go with rotary resurrection. Kevin's a really good guy. After that, we'll be looking to get inside the engine compartment, strip it completely so we can start prepping it for paint. And then after that, we need to start doing some body work on this car because there's a little bit of rust we need to take care of. So I really appreciate y'all watching the videos. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, and share. And thanks for watching.